so we're going on a walk. Right. Oh, look at this. Look at this.
Bite the bite.
Oh, look at this. Fight the bite. So we're going on a trail. As I said, there's stuff in your area that you can do because a lot of people can't travel right now. So there's lots of stuff in your area that you can look at to see what you can do to have some enjoyment. It's a bit chilly today, but it's fun to go on a hike. So let's see what is here. We're at William Granger Greenway. Street is over there. It's beautiful. Look at this. They're checking out whatever. There. It's beautiful. Nice greenery. Nature walk. It's really, really fun to come outside on a Saturday and just do you. Have fun. Enjoy your surrounding. Enjoy whatever you can do outside. Get out, do something and have fun. Let's go, guys. Let's see what we can.
You want to see the map?
Oh, I want to see the map. Let's have a look at the map.
Okay, look. This is where we are now. We're thinking of taking this trail. It's the Humber Trail, the orange. Rob says it's all along the river.
Oh, let's do it.
This is the Humber River, right?
Well, we'll cross it, yeah.
Okay.
Let's do that. We'll catch the bridge.
Okay, let's do that.
Let's do it this way.
This way?
Boys and girls.
Okay. Let's go on this hike. As I said, fun stuff to do. I don't think any coyotes in these bushes or, I know mosquito is here, but we're all dressed properly, have on some jackets and, you know, because it's really cool in the bush here, so. Fun stuff today, guys. Let's have fun. Woohoo! Let's have fun. Hi. Let's have some fun, guys. We with the mosquitoes. Already getting a bite from a mosquito? What you guys are hoping to see in these bushes today?
I see a deer.
You want to see a deer? I'm not sure if there's deer here, but a horse. Pan? This is not This is not Australia, okay? A pony.
Darlene, our glutes after this are going to be on fire.
I know. I'm already tired and I'm not even gone up this hill yet.
I don't want to hear it.
What's in here? Spooky in there. Let's see if we can find anything in there. Ooh, look at these flowers. Nature walk. We love nature. So, you gotta go on this walk. Have some fun. What's going on in there? So beautiful in nature.
Look at this.
No. Somebody make a trail there. They're gone in that bush somewhere there. They're making their own track. Maybe Because look at the, it's flat there. I want to know what goes on up here. Sound of nature. Wow. I climbed the hill and I'm tired already.
Look at this.
Look at this. Let's see what's up here.
It's dark and dingy. Are we going off? It looks
It's dark and dingy, but I need to know what's up here.
Yeah, no, I remember.
Oh, look at this. Come on, be adventurous. This is, wow. It's just an open space. Yeah, don't touch any grass. Just in case poison ivy. Wow.
I can't even remember what it looks like, but you don't want to. This is cool.
Did you hear that?
In Dunsey, sketchy forest. Once upon a time, there was an old lady named Riddle riding her.
Shh. Look at the birds there. See that?
One of them are gonna poop on your head.
Shh. Hear that? You.
I'm just walking. You tell me when you want to go back. Ready to go back? Run!
I just love the sound of that bird chirping.
The color purple.
Yeah. They don't like the color black. So me and Papa are safe. You're on your own.
I can't see them, but
No, but
they're up there somewhere. Sounds really good.
Don't leave your shoes behind. I'm kidding. Really?
This is nature.
exactly. They'll leave me behind. Me and Papa are safe.
How are you safe if they're gonna leave you?
Tell your bloggers we're in Australia.
No, we're not in Australia, but look at this cobweb. Oh my God, look at this. This is a nice spider web. Wow. This is what nature is all about, you know? The sound of the birds. Listen to that. Wow, I love that sound. I love that sound.
Male, female. Well, I don't even know the other word. Oh, it's crazy. So I want to
We've gone too far one side now.
way too far. Way too far. Because I was like, oh my God.
Wow. Careful, honey.
Rob living life on edge.
Yeah, I want to go over there and see too.
Careful.
Uh-huh.
Oh, you got pants on road.
Uh-huh. Wow. You saw a rabbit?
I mean, if you look to the left, you can see where you drove in.
Yeah. This is beautiful. I love it. Nature walk. It's really nice. Go out, enjoy your surrounding. Go out in your neighborhood. There must be a park, a provincial park or something that you can do. I know there's a lot of people can't travel, and I know there's a lot of people who are indoor and, you know, find it difficult to, you know, or somewhere to go. Just go on Google. There is a site, I think the site called All Trails. And you can find so many trails maybe in your neighborhood that you can go on and see where you can go and walk and have a walk in your neighborhood. Do something. Look at this. You know, this is beautiful. Just pure nature all around. Enjoy your surrounding. I love it. I run up this hill. Yeah, this is beautiful. And it's good exercise for your body. You know, if you're just sitting around and not doing anything, you know, you go on a trail. This is good exercise. Get a comfortable sneaker or a boot, whatever you preferred, and just go for a hike. Love it. Enjoy it. Take fresh air in. Breathe in and let out. You know, get some good oxygen in your lungs. People are exercising. Come on, girl, get it. Run. Come on, girl. Run.
Wow! This looks awesome! Woo! Come on! It looks so big!
Enjoying it? Very
You can
good.
have a picnic now.
You can have a picnic here.
Or a full-on cottage somewhere.
So many people are walking in this park. It's really nice. You know you're in nature when you hear that sound. Listen to that sound. Wow. Can't see it, but I heard him. Let's go down here, see what's going on in here. I like to go in these little bushes. I want to see what's going on down here. I want to see what's going on down here. Hello up there.
Beautiful day.
Beautiful.
On the Humber
Say
River.
hi to my viewers.
You're on the Humber River.
We're on Humber River.
10,000 years ago, people used to hunt and fish here. So
Wow. 10,000 years ago,
the indigenous people.
the indigenous people used to fish and wash their clothes and all of that. Wow. I love the fact that you see all these different color wildflowers. It's really beautiful. Let's see what's going on in here. Ooh. Don't say that. Wow. This is what you call nature. Wow. Look at this. This is nice. Nana. Jen, we're gonna get a bicycle next year.
Okay, we're gonna get a bicycle and we're gonna come back bigger, better, and stronger.
Ah, I agree with
A
you.
mountain bike.
A mountain bike.
Yeah.
I don't know if I can do all this hill,
Yes, you
but
can.
we'll try and, you know, get some ride in.
I think we we'll be good at it.
I think so too.
Rob, we're getting a bike next year. Me and Marlene.
Mm-hmm. Definitely. Good morning, ladies.
Well, good morning. Look at you.
I don't know which animal. She said I'm all decked out. I don't know which animal I might attract in this bush here. So I'm all that is so crazy. No, there's some there's some interesting, there's an interesting piece of machinery there.
Oh, looks like something left behind.
Yeah,
Oh my
I don't know what it is, but
Rob?
it's a very interesting piece of machinery.
Maybe it was something to cut down the trees or plow or something.
And they said, forget it, we're leaving this thing home.
So we're at Major Mackenzie, and we made it to Major Mackenzie, and they're making a bridge. So therefore, we can't go across this bridge because, as you can see, it says trail closed for bridge repair. So we can't go across this bridge. See what it says? So a lot of people are coming across the river there. See, they come across the river there, make their own pathway to get on this side of the road. So wow, this is really interesting. They're making a beautiful, they're repairing the bridge up here. I'm gonna get over this mud here. Yeah, jump over that, and let's see what's going on here. So obviously people are coming from that side, and because the bridge is on the construction, people are making their way across the river. Oh my goodness. I guess when you are this adventurous, you know. Yes, so that's their path across the river to get on this side, because as you can see, the bridge over there is on the repair. That's a big stone in the water. And what is going on inside here? Whoa, I don't like the feel of this earth. I feel like it will give way on you. Okay, I don't like the feeling of this. Yeah, it's really soft here, like there's a hollow there. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like the feelings. So see, those people are going to cross over. They're more adventurous than me because I don't want to fall in that water. Be careful, okay? Yeah, be careful. Yeah, take your time. Good job. Awesome. That's great. This is our first time walking in this path. Yeah.
Oh, where you from?
So, I do a blog on my my thing. So I meet some friends here. Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah. So I meet some friend on my way. So they're enjoying themselves outdoor
Yeah.
walking, so you can go out and do the same thing and enjoy walk outside, just like
what's your
that.
name?
My name is Marlene.
Eric and Jay.
Those are my new friends. 78 and 73. The wife is 78 and he's 73. They're enjoying their walk. So you can do it too. Tell me about your walk.
Tomorrow I'm gonna be thunder thighs.
Thunder ties. What about your walk? Did you enjoy the walk?
That was a great walk. Fresh air, greenery, very nice. Didn't see any animals except for a chipmunk, but saw lots of vegetation, lots of people, everybody out exercising.
Could you live
Beautiful
out
day.
here?
Yes, I could. Build a home, yes.
Enjoy it?
Beautiful.
As I said, you get out.
Now I'm gonna go eat some
There's
fast
stuff in your area that you can do. Just walk around and see. Or go on, you know, what's the trail name, honey?
food. Humber River Trail.
Humber River Trail. But there's also trails online that you could go and look up, you know, all trails. And there's lots of places that you can find in your area that you can go out, have a walk, enjoy it. Enjoy the outdoor. Just don't sit inside and, you know, and stay there. Outside is beautiful. This morning when we started, I think it was about maybe 13 degree, and it was really chilly. As you can see, I still have my jacket on, but as the day goes by, it's really, really beautiful to walk. So go out, enjoy, have fun, guys. Peace.